Business means making smart hires. But here's the catch. How you classify those workers as W-2 employees or 1099 contractors can make a big difference for your taxes, compliance, and even your bottom line. Let's break this down to make it easy to understand the difference between them. Let's start with the basics. A W-2 is for employees. You report their wages, withhold income tax, Social Security, and Medicare, the whole package. A 1099 NEC is for non-employee compensation. You'll report payments of $600 or more, but you don't withhold taxes. The contractors are responsible for their own. And please note, beginning with payments made in 2026, businesses will not be required to file 1099 NEC or 1099 miscellaneous until the payment amount reaches $2,000. So how do you know which to use? The IRS looks at three things. Behavioral control, who decides how the work gets done. Financial control, who provides the tools and covers expenses. Relationship type, is it a long-term with benefits or short-term or project-based? If you're calling all the shots, it's probably a W-2. If the worker sets the terms and just delivers results, it leans towards a 1099. And here's the big warning. Misclassifying workers could lead to IRS penalties, back taxes, and legal trouble. So here's the tax implications. With W-2 employees, you're on the hook for payroll taxes, benefits, and filing periodic reports. With 1099 contractors, you skip the payroll taxes and benefits, but you still have to issue a 1099 if you have paid $600 or more, or $2,000 starting with 2026 payments. Skip that and you could face penalties or per missing 1099 form. When to hire each. Go with a W-2 employee when you want control over the work, the job is core to your business, and you need long-term consistency. Choose a 1099 contractor when you need specialized skills for a short-term project, you don't need day-to-day control, and you want flexibility without payroll obligations. But remember, don't just choose 1099s to avoid taxes. The IRS is watching. So here are some best practices. Always have a signed agreement. Keep documentation on file. Review worker classifications as your business evolves. And if you're really unsure, you can even ask the IRS for a determination with Form SS8. Bottom line is, W-2 versus 1099 isn't just paperwork. It's about protecting your business, staying compliant, and building the right kind of working relationships. If you're not sure which way to go, don't wait until it's a problem. Talk with a professional and get it right the first time. Thanks for listening from Beckley & Associates.